Now guys, I am going to start further what is given laws of exponent and for an integral power. If the exponent written, you know, this is called exponential form. When any numbers having power that is written in that way is called exponential. This is exponential form. So, if let A is a rational number and n and m are integers. If two exponential form multiply together, like a to the power m into a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. How can prove it? See 2 to the power, suppose 3 multiply by 2 to the power 4. Then we can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into, and this write 2 to the power 3, write 2 multiply 3 times, and 2 to the power 4 you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And how many times 2 multiply together? That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is coming 2 to the power 7, which is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 to the power 7. This way you can prove this law. When two exponential form whose base are same, exponent are different, multiply together, that is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here base are same. Second, this is the first law. Second, if two exponential form whose base are same divided by each other, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n when m is greater than n. And this is equal to 1 upon a to the power n minus m when n is greater than m. You can prove it also. See, example you see 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to, by this law, 2 to the power 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 1, or that is 2 only. Now see by the usual method, 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, and 2 multiply now 3 times. This 3 to cut, 1 to remain. It means this 4 divided by 4 to the power 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power difference of their power. This is the second property. Third property you see boys, or third law of exponent. Third law of exponent, a to the power n is one exponential form. Now its power given, exponential power of a is equal to n, and whole to the power m written a to the power n into m is equal to a to the power m or mn. No problem, no change. If write n first or m first, no any change. See example 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 is equal to, by this property, 2 to the power 2 into 3 is equal to 2 to the power 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. this is the 8 and 8 coming 64, and by usual method this is 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, and 4 to the power 3 again, 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to also coming 64. Hence we can say that a to the power n whole to the power m is equal to a to the power mn. Fourth property, a to the power n into b to the power n. Both exponential having same exponent but base are different. See, base is here a and here base is b and exponent are same. This can written a into b to the power n. If you see it by the example, see 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. By this law, 2 into 3 to the power 2 is equal to 6 to the power 2 is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. By usual method, this is 4 2 into 2, this is written 2 into 2, and this is 3 into 3 is equal to 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Same answer coming. Now next fifth property or fifth law of exponent. Fifth law of exponent, see boys, fifth, a to the power n divided by b to the power n is equal to a divided by b to the power n. See by the example, 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3. This is written by this proper law, 2 by 3 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 8 by 27. And by usual method you can write it 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 8 by 27 also coming. Hence this also proof if 6 property is a to the power 0 is equal to 1, just before you have seen, and 7 a to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus n. Some special condition is here, boys. What is that? See, if there is some special case, in some special case it is explained that if 0 has positive power, suppose 0 to the power n, where n is positive, where n is a positive number, that is becomes a to the 0 to the power n is equal to always coming 0. Second, 0 to the power minus n. See here n is negative, that can coming 1 upon 0 to the power 1, which is 1 upon 0 not defined. This is not defined. After that, if third Third, if 1 to the power n, where n is an integer, that is always 1. That is always coming on, either negative or positive, always coming on. If positive, for example, suppose 1 to the power 10, 1 multiply 10, 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, suppose 5 here, then that is coming 1. If 1 up to the power minus 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 to the power 5, this is equal to 1, 1 by 1 is equal to also 1. Hence we can say that 1 having any integer power as an integer, either negative or positive, the value is coming 1 only. Fourth, minus 1 to the power n, it is equal to 1 when n is even number, and this is equal to minus 1 when n is even number, and here when n is odd number. In some other property, see here boys, if two exponents are same, suppose this is the other property fifth, if a to the power n is equal to b to the power n, this here see two exponents are same, their power is same, then their base should be also same. Then two exponents are same, are equal, and power are also equal, hence their base should be equal. It means a to the power n is equal to b to the power n implies that a is equal to b. This is also equal. In second case, if base is same, two exponents are exponential form are equal, their power is different but base are same, like this, a to the power m is equal to a to the power n. Two exponents are same and their bases are also same, hence powers should be equal or same. Like a to the power m is equal to a to the power n implies that m is equal to n. By using this property, we can see exercise 2.2. Now boys, see exercise 2.2. चलो see exercise 2.2 first simplify ये क्वेश्चन 2 by 3 to the power 2 by minus 3 to the power 4 into 2 by minus 3 to the power 5 into 2 by minus 3 to the power minus 7. See what by the law of first law of exponent a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. If base are same, power of different and that type of exponent are multiplied together, then you have to add the power only. See, minus 2 by 3 to the power 4 plus 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power 9 minus 7 is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power 2 is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 divided by 3 into 3 is equal to 4 by 9. This is your answer, boys. And now you see what question number B. 4 by 9 to the power 5 into divide here 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 9 to the power 5 divided by 4 by 9 to the power 3 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 5 minus 3 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2 is equal to 4 into 4 2 time multiply 9 into 9 is equal to 16 by 81. Now see question number question number D. In big bracket, common bracket 13 upon 15, 13 upon 15 whole to the power 14 and big bracket to the power whole to, here given in common bracket 13 by 15 to the power 14 whole to the power 0 is equal to 13 by 15 to the power 14 into 0 is equal to 13 by 15 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any numbers power is 0, that is equal to 1. And now see next question. Next question you see what last question see here. I in curly bracket 49 by 64 to the power minus 2 into 16 by 35 whole to the power minus 2 curly bracket close whole to the power minus 1. This is your question. Now see in curly bracket change this power in positive power or simplify, no problem here. Power is same here, base are different, then by the law of a to the power m into b to the power n is equal to ab to the power, this is also same, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. So 49 by 64 into 16 by 35 whole to the power minus 2 curly bracket close to the power minus 1. This is simplified. In common bracket cut this by 7 49 cut by 7, 7 times, 35 cut by 5 times, 16 cut 64, 4 times, that is coming 7 by 20 to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 1 is equal to 7 by 20 to the power minus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 7 by 20 to the power minus 2 and minus 1 multiply coming 2 is equal to 7 into 7 and 20 into 20 is equal to 49 by 400. This is your answer, boys. And now see second question. Evaluate the following. Second, evaluate the following. First question given. A 4 by 81 in common bracket 9 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 5. See boys here. 4 by, this is 81 can written, see, as a power if you want to write, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 into, in common bracket, 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 5, common bracket and curly bracket close. That is 4 by 3 to the power 4 into, in curly bracket, 3 to the power 8 minus 3 to the power 5. Now see boys here. Here see. Now here 3 to the power 5, here 3 to the power 8. You can take common 4 by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 5, take common. What is left in common bracket? 3 to the power 3 minus 1 in curly bracket remain. Here 3 to the power, here also you can write 3 to the power 8 is equal to 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3. Then 3 to the power 5 taken common, 3 to the power 3 remain here, and this cut, here left only 4 into 3 only. Here see 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times and down 3 times, 4 times, 4 cut, only 3 remain here. In curly bracket, here remain 27 minus 1 is equal to 12, multiply 12 into 26. Multiply this 12 into 26. 26, 12. 2 multiply by 6, 12. 4 and 1, 5, and 6, 2, 2, 1, 3. Check one more time. 2 multiply by 6, coming 12. 2 to the 4 and 5, 26, 2, 11 and 3. That is coming 312. Now, see question number B. See boys here. Question number C. 27 upon 4 to the power 4 into 27 by 4 to the power 3, 27 by 4 to the power 2 divided by 27 by 4 to the power 5 into 27 to the power 4 to the power 6 is equal to 27 by 4 to the power 4 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 27 by 4 to the power 5 plus 6 is equal to 7 into 9, 27 by 4 to the power 9 divided by 27 by 4 to the power 11, that is equal to 27 by 4 to the power 9 minus 11 is equal to 27. 27 by 4 to the power minus 2 is equal to 4 by 27 to the power plus 2. Now we multiply by 4 into 4 and 27 into 27 is equal to 16. Multiply this one. 27 into 27, 9, carry 4, 14 and 4, 18, 7 7 are 49, 4 carry 9, right, 14 and 4, 18, and this is 2 7 are 14, 4, 4 and 1, 5, then 9, 2, 6, 7, 729, 7, 2, 9. So answer coming 16 by 729. Next question. See what? See here. Third, by what number should be? Let we should multiplied by x. Asking by what number should be minus 5 by 11 to the power 3 be multiplied with to get minus 11 by 5 to the power 6. Let we should multiply by x, then minus 5 by 11 to the power 3 minus 3 multiply by x, get result minus 11 by 6 to the power 6. Okay. Now this is x is equal to, now what? This question I shall now see here, minus 11 by 6 to the power 6 divided by minus 5 by 11 to the power minus 3 is equal to minus 11 by 6 to the power 6 divided by minus 11 by 5 to the power 3. This is equal to minus 11 by 6 whole to the power 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 11 by 6 or 5. Yes. No. 5 is here. Here is 5. Here see boys. we should multiply by x minus 5 by 11 to the power minus 3 into x is equal to minus 11 by 5 to the power 6. That is equal to x is equal to minus 11 by 5 to the power 6 divided by minus 5 by 11 to the power minus 3 is equal to minus 11 by 5 to the power 6 divided by minus 11 by 5 to the power plus 3 is equal to minus 11 by 5 to the power 6 minus 3 is equal to minus 11 by 5 minus 11 by 5 to the power 3 is equal to minus 11 into minus 11 into minus 11 and 5 into 5 into 5. This is coming minus 1331 and 125. Hence, or you can write this or this. This is your answer. If you multiply by minus 11 by 5 to the power 3 with minus 5 by 11 to the power minus 3, you get the result this much. So, next day I teach other question which is remaining here.